So hi guys, I am Deepak from the Intech Video, and today in this video I have got with me the Phonokart Baseheads Speed 100 in-ear earphones which cost around 600 rupees. So let's just quickly take it out of the box. So taking it out of the box, we have extra ear tips. We have a pair of small ear tips and a pair of medium-sized ear tips. And then we have the earphone itself, which kind of look pretty cool. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And then we have details of the customer care service. So here are the earphones. The design of the earphones looks kind of cool and unique at the same time. The earphones are completely made out of plastic. Here we can see the symbols which indicate the ear in which this ear tip should go fit in. The ear tips are made out of silicone. Then we have the controller. Here is a volume slider which can be used to adjust the volume. Then here is the play pause button which can be used to answer the calls. And along with it there is the mic. Behind the controller we can see the Phonokart branding. And here is a 3.5mm audio jack connector. So here are a couple of things that I would like to mention before rounding up the video. First, pros. The design of the earphones is quite good. Second, the sound quality of the earphones is kind of decent with ear tips providing some noise cancellation. Now let's move on to cons. The cable is not tangle free. Second, for a price of about 600 rupees, there are definitely some better options for you in the market, like the Boat Basehead. So this was it for a short hands-on video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.